welcome back everyone. Welcome back to From Toys to Trains. I'm Maya. Well, today we are at the Pit Stop Car Wash on 2021 West Silver Spring Drive, and we are going to get their deluxe car wash. So sit back and enjoy. And this is the deluxe wash, which is a 2-pass on the soap, rinse, spot rinse, and then the blow dry.
Thank you. Please exit closed.
There that one was, everyone. That's the Pit Stop Car Wash located on 2021 West Silver Spring Drive in Milwaukee. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, watch for that little house in the corner, hit that, and you'll be subscribed to my channel. Again, thanks for watching. Take care, everyone. We'll see you right here next time.